7 reasons why you need to install a chatbot built by BotBuilders on your website today. 1. You are the decision maker. Humans are not very good at making decisions. We are not very good at standing up and making decisions on our own, especially when faced with a lot of information that we don't have expertise in. 2. You can measure your chats. A chatbot gives you the opportunity to automate all the decision making on your website. If you use a chatbot in tandem with a lead qualification form, you can automate a lot of decisions on your own website. 3. You can track your conversions. A chatbot gives you the opportunity to measure the different messages that you send out. You measure the number of sales that you make, the success of each piece of copy, how well the landing page conversion rates are, the amount of traffic that comes to your site, and how long people stay on your site. 4. Your customers come before you. Conversations with your customers happen before you have to make decisions on the website, and you get to control the conversations as they happen. 5. If you are in business, you will have to deal with customers. Humans are a part of the business. Humans make mistakes and they will still come after you have closed your doors. You get to be the decision maker, judge and jury, and deal with the mess that humans can become. What does all of this mean for you? As webmasters, you have 2 options on how to use a chatbot. Either you use it to do your work for you, or you let it do your work for you. If you use a bot as part of your marketing efforts, you have to accept that the bot may not give you the results that you want and that you can't control it completely. By automating all of the steps in your conversation, you give the bot the opportunity to do your work for you, without you having to ask it to do it. This gives you the chance to be at peace with the bot doing your work for you while letting the bot do your work for you, in a way that you control the flow of information, and all conversations are recorded for you. However, if you aren't automating your marketing, or if you really want the best results, then you have to make some decisions about what you want the bot to do for you. There are some things that you can do, like measuring your chatbot results, that you can't control the conversation and that isn't in the grasp of the bot. There are certain decisions that a bot can't make. But those decisions have to be made by humans. Some of the decisions that a bot can't make are getting an explicit opt-in. If you have only a chatbot that is built for marketing purposes, this can't happen, and setting prices. Humans have to choose to join, and we have to make the choice of joining before the bot decides to join. Humans have to decide which ads to click and whether to leave. How to respond to some very common questions. For example, a human has to decide if they should buy something and whether the offer is good enough to buy. If you don't take action right now, then the bot will take action, and get you the results that you are all searching for. But there is a problem with taking action by a bot. Humans aren't always in the mood to take action. Sometimes the action gets postponed until later in the day. Or a better offer comes along. So what do? Well, we automate the process. Until we can automate the human responses, we just can't afford to waste a bot's time on some of the mundane, boring, repetitive things that we have to do in our business. So that's why you'll never find a chatbot doing what you need it to. That's why you have to program a chatbot to do by itself. BotBuilders is a great choice if you are looking for leading bot building companies. Their sales bot can help you answer the queries of your customers, satisfy them, and will generate more leads and sales for any business. You can watch a workshop by clicking the link below.